This is the Primus Profile 2-burner stove, available for rent at the RecWell Adventure Program. Here's how to use it. First, assembly. Undo the latch and hook the two side panels onto the lid using the tabs. Remove the grill gate and the propane hose, then replace the grill gate. Do a rock test to ensure the stove won't tip. Your cook site should be 100 yards from your sleeping area. Next, connect the fuel. Take the small end of the hose and insert into the right side of the stove. It connects to an attachment point inside the hole. Thread it clockwise till it's hand tight. Then, take propane fuel, remove the cap, and connect it to the large side of the hose. Carefully twist the fuel onto the hose, avoiding stripping the threads. Now, light the stove. Turn one of the gray fuel levers counterclockwise till you hear fuel coming out. Then turn the red ignition switch clockwise. Carefully check for flames. You may not be able to see them. You can then light the other side using the same steps. If the igniter doesn't work, you can use a lighter or long match. Here are some cooking safety tips. Never leave a hot stove unattended. Stand or kneel when cooking and avoid sitting. Never heat an empty pot. Fill it with water or food first. Use gloves, mitts, or other protective equipment when handling cookware. Finally, secure loose hair and clothing while cooking. When you're done cooking, you can disassemble the stove. Turn both burner knobs clockwise to cut off the flow of fuel. Then, disconnect the propane from the hose. Some gas may escape. Disconnect the other end of the hose from the stove. Don't touch the stove area until it's completely cool. Once it's cooled, replace the fuel hose underneath the grill grate. Then, disconnect the side panels from the lid and collapse the stove. Secure the latch and you're good to go. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, email us at adventure@umd.edu.